Happy New Year! Wow! Hello everyone. It is so great to see all of you here today and ready for our first assembly for awards for 2022. Wow! We hope you all had a nice holidays and that you're getting the new year started off great. I know a lot of children are. It's been fantastic to see everyone getting straight to work. Isn't it, Betty? Yes. And it's good to see Betty back, haven't it? Yes, yes. I know some of you might be wondering where Wesley is. Well, Wesley is having a well-deserved break and holiday back at the North Pole with Santa, isn't it? Yes, yes. Did you have a good break? Good, good. Now, we're ready for the assembly and giving out some fantastic awards for this week. Are you ready, Betty? Yes. All right, Betty, you know where to go. Go sit down over there. All right, children, are you ready for the awards? Now, the first ones we have is going to be for the Going for Gold Awards. You remember those. And the Going for Gold Awards are those children who have been working really hard in their lessons for a variety of different reasons. They're really showing us the school motto to persevere, to believe, to achieve. And we have a load of children who have done fantastic this week. So let's hear who they are. First we have in Lee's class. Well, wow, it is all of the nursery class, all of them, because they have settled back into class so very well, and the new children have settled in really well as well. Well done to all of nursery class. Well done. Excellent. In your class, we have Damien for settling back into school well after the Christmas holidays, and Connor for his excellent maths work this week. In Hall class, we have Anaya for excellent reading of instructions on how to make a Gruffalo biscuit, and Lorraine for working super hard in Read Write Ink lessons this week. In Nottingham, we have Tristan for his amazing Read Write Ink work. He has been using his knowledge and reading some tricky words. We also have Archie for trying hard to write lowercase letters. In Liverpool, we have Harrison for super fluent reading and answering of questions. We also have Isaac for great reading using Fred Talk. In Cardiff class, we have Jake H for joining in and offering great input in the lessons on the Stone Age, and Joshua for trying hard in maths when doing column method. In Edinburgh class, we have Tia Rose for listening to advice on how to improve her swimming and then swimming really well. We also have Scylla for a positive and hard-working attitude to learning. We have in Cambridge class Scarlett for listening carefully when learning about the heart and its functions, and George for trying his best in maths this week. He has taken his time and thought carefully about the questions. In London class, we have Alan for working hard when learning about the circulatory system, and Zane for excellent efforts in maths this week. In Oxford class, we have Caden for excellent ICT skills when creating a digital footprint poster, and Casey for persevering when working with fractions. In Lincoln class, we have Kobe for sitting independently during circle time and adding his picture to the board. Well done to all of these children. Let's give them a big clap. Well done. Excellent. Now we have the Year of Being Healthy Awards. And the first one is in Leeds class. And this goes to all of the nursery lunchtime children. You know who you are. This is because they have been eating their lunches without fuss, keeping their areas nice and clean, and behaving beautifully for me when I have been with them for lunch. Well done to all of you. In York class, we have Artur for trying and eating a healthy school dinner for the first time. We also have Leo for remembering how often and at what times of the day we should be brushing our teeth. In Hall class, we have Philip for using fantastic dribbling skills in football, and Jacob for eating some peas for good healthy lunchtime. In Nottingham, we have Olivia for always being a good friend to everyone, and Oliver for eating a healthy snack each day. In Liverpool class, we have Jacob GC for helping his friends fasten their coats, and Zuzi for trying really hard to use a knife and fork. In Cardiff class, we have Jake K for an excellent effort in their first rugby tag lessons this week, and Jack for an excellent effort in the first rugby lesson. This week, he was trying really hard to pass accurately. In Edinburgh, we have Eric for being thoughtful during the discussions on friendship, and Charlie for working hard to develop his fine motor skills. In Cambridge class, we have Peyton for having a positive attitude towards her learning and others in the classroom. We also have Kristen for showing kindness to others when they were feeling upset. In London class, we have Chloe for being an active partner when discussing what makes a good friend, and Tommy for making a good argument when discussing what makes a good friend. In Oxford class, we have Layla for thoughtful contributions in class discussions, and Tommy for demonstrating a very mature attitude at break times. In Lincoln class, we have Leah for a positive attitude during the first week back and getting back involved in everything. Well done to all of you children as well. Let's give them a big clap. Well done. Fantastic. We've had a good first week back in school, and we do it all again next week. I can't wait. Can you? I want you all to have a really good weekend. Yes, Betty, come on. She's waving. She wants to make sure that all the children know that she's excited to be back and that she wants you to have a good weekend as well. Right, everyone? Bye.